Greater Action was created to improve the lives of all marginalized refugees and asylum seekers by providing them with day-to-day solutions for a better living. From 2020, we are focusing on the Afghan and Rohingya children's education and livelihood. We cover school fees for 90 children, provide food relief for 170 families, emergency medical care, maternity support, and mental health care. We create sustainable jobs in tailoring, baking, and cooking to help them become financially independent and take pride in their work. We are 100% charity. Our team members are all unpaid volunteers, and we work closely with Hiller Learning Center, with international school students and the dynamic expat community of Mount Kiara and Desa Park City.